Welcome back, everybody. So let's start with our heading: structure and function of living organism. Structure and function of living organism. So every cell, every animals are made up of cell. Every animals or every organisms present on this world are made up of cells. What is a cell? Cell is the structural functional unit of all life, all organism. Means the cell, a single cell, do all the necessary works, all the necessary work which a organism needs to live on earth or anywhere else. So what is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Okay? It is the smallest unit of life. So I will show you, before I go on this, I will tell something about cell also. Now look here. I said every organism are made every organisms are made of cell. Okay? Means every organism, okay, are made up of cell. Means a cow is also made of cell. A cow is also made of cell. A dog is also made of cell. A man is also made of cell. Okay? Animals, plants are also made of cell. Everything. Every organism are made up of cell. So you can say this cell join together to make tissue. This cell join together. Cell is a singular. It is only one cell. Many cells join together to form tissue, and many tissues join together to form organ, and many organs join together to form organ system. And many organ system join together to make organism. Okay? Means cell means only one cell I am talking about. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Okay? And the many cells join together to form tissue. Many tissues join together to form organ. Many organs join together to form organ system, and many organ system join together to form a organism. Okay? Here this organism which will be made here will be what? Will be a multicellular organism. Organism which is made by cell join together to make tissue join together to form organ system, and then organism. These kind of organism are multicellular. When the process will be like this: cell make tissue, many cells join together to make tissue, many tissues join together to form organ, many organs join together to form organ system, and many organ join together to form a organism. This kind of organism who has a organ system, organ, tissue and cell are multicellular. Multicellular means, what do you mean by multicellular? Multicellular organism means those organisms which are made of many cells, more than one cell. It may be 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, uncountable, we can say. Okay? So now, if an organism is made up of only one cell, suppose it is amoeba. Amoeba is what? It is only one cell. It has only one cell. Okay? So those animal, this animal has to do all its life processes with the help of only one cell. What do you mean by life processes? What I want to say, life processes. Life processes means taking in food, digestion, respiration, circulation, all of them, excretion, etc. Everything is done with the help of only one cell. So those animals which are made up of only one cell, this kind of organism is known as unicellular. Okay? This kind means organism that are made up of only one cell are called as unicellular. And what will be multicellular? Animals, organisms which are made up of many cells. Okay? Organisms that are made up of only one cell are known as unicellular, and organisms that are made up of many cells, they are known as multicellular. Okay. So a short historical things about cell. Very short, very short. There was a scientist, Robert Hooke, 1665. He first took a slice, a very thin piece of wood not, you can say, he really took a very thin piece of cork, and he examined that cork, with a simple kind of microscope present in that time, and he found that the cell looked like a honeycomb. Okay? So cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke. I just want to say that. So means one day I will make only a video on cell. It may take 2 or 3 episodes when I will make up cell, but I will make it one day. After this, first we are going to study about structure and function of living things. Okay? So first we are going to study about structure and function of plants. Structure and function of plants. So today we will keep to this point. Okay? Structure and function. Okay? So I have said in the earlier that every organism, plant is also a living thing. It is also made up of cells. Many cells join together. There are many cells which form different organ of a plant. So structure and function of plant. So there are different types of plant present in this world. In this world there are trees, there are herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers. मतलब we are going to talk about it. So classification of plants means first we are going to talk about trees. Trees. ठीक है? Whenever you look around your surrounding, you will find trees. ठीक है? You will find trees. So what? Suppose this is a figure of a tree. This is a figure of a tree. This is a figure of a tree. So it has a root. It has roots. It has root. It has stem. It has branches. It has branches. In fact, it also has leaves. It bears flower and it will bear fruit. This is the structure of a tree. So how can we recognize a tree? There are different. How can we recognize a tree? We can recognize a tree by seeing that it has a single woody stem, also known as trunk. It has a single trunk, and after that it bears branches, it bears leaves, fruits, flowers, etc. Is it okay? So what are the characteristics of a tree? How if someone asks you that what are a characteristics of a tree? So what are the characteristics of a tree? The tree bears root, stem, branches, leaves. This has two parts. One part under the ground, other part above the ground. The part under the ground, which goes under the ground, it is known as root. It is known as root. Means it is at the part above the ground, and that this part and this part, which is above the ground, it is known as shoot. So now we will start from classification of plant. We are going to start from classification of plant. As an intro, I have given you the idea about tree. But I did not wanted to give you an idea about tree. I wanted to give you the idea about plants. But plants are of different kinds. Plants are of different kinds. Some very small, some more bigger, and some are even bigger. So there are different types of plants. Different types of plant. If we classify these different types of plant, we are going to get many types of classification. And the classification first, I will give a simple way how to recognize them only. Now, what is a tree? Tree. See? So, first point, it will have single main stem. It will have a simple main stem which grows above the ground. It will have a simple main stem. This stem is also known as trunk. Remember, this stem are also known as trunk. So, second of all, this is the first point. How can you recognize a tree? Second point, okay? Second point means what will be there? It is long. Long means it is bigger in size, very bigger in size. When it grows above the ground, it grows very tall. Okay? It has long and it is long woody. It is long woody. Means woods are present in the plant. So plants will have single main stem. Okay? It is long and woody. It is long and woody. It stands erect from the ground. Okay? So, first point, how you will recognize a tree? What are trees can be classified? They will have single main branch. Okay? And it is long, its height is very big and woody. And the trunks or the branches of the tree have more amount of wood present in them, which are used by human beings for various purposes, for making windows, doors, for even table, desks, etc. Many things. So this is the third thing, the second thing, and the third thing, that the trees live for many years. Trees live for many years. Means their lifespan is not a season, not a year, but many years. They live for many years. They have a long lifespan. Now second, shrubs. Shrubs means they are also woody. Okay? They are also woody as the plants are woody, but smaller than the plant. But smaller than the trees. Shrubs, when we compare a shrub with a trees, the shrubs will be much smaller from the trees, and many branches, and the second will be many stems. Come out from the many branches, many stems come out from the base of the shoot. ठीक है, तो many stems come out from the base of the shoots. Means suppose this is the root and this is the ground. Means many stems will come out from the base of the tree. In what was the condition of the trees? There was only a single. In trees there was a single stem or what we call trunk. But in shrubs there will be a number of stems coming out from the base of the shoot. This is the difference. And the third, its lifespan is shorter than trees. Its lifespan is shorter than trees. First of all, shrubs, woody, smaller than the tree. Second point, many stems come out from the base of the shoot. Its lifespan is shorter than trees. Now, when we come to shrub, we have talked about shrub. Now we are going to talk about herb. Means it does not has wood. It has no wood. ठीक है? तो shrubs are the plants that have no wood. Means if you see many grasses, they will have no wood in it. And if you see a rose plant, the many branches will come out from the base of the shoot. Means they are shrub. And herb, it has no wood. There will be no wood present in the shrub. They are small. They are small in size has तो what is a shrub? It has no wood. मतलब if you want to recognize that what is the difference between tree, shrub and herb, the herb, I talked about trees, I talked about shrubs also. Now herbs, it will have no wood. ठीक है? They are smaller in size and their lifespan can be of one season or 2 seasons. Can be of 2 seasons. Now take some plant, look around yourself and try to recognize which plants are trees, which plants are shrubs, which plants are herbs. So today it will be you will have to recognize near your surrounding where you are living, that you have to write the name of 10 trees, write the name of 10 shrubs and write the name of 10 herbs. And answer to me. At last, like the video, share the video and subscribe the video. This video, if you share it, it may be beneficial for other students also. Thank you.